Hi guys, this is Anmol from stallionauto. Welcome to my first tech vlog. In this vlog, I'll be showing the unboxing of Apple iPhone SE second generation 2020. Let's start. So here we get some manual, the pin, some instructions and information, some more information, Apple stickers. Here's the phone, iPhone SE second generation black. Now in the box we get these lightning earphones, or you can say earphones with lightning connector. We get a power adapter and the lightning cable. Let's try and switch it on. As we can see, it's working fine, and it has some battery charge inside it. Where's our India? Okay, I'll set it up later. First, let me show you. I've ordered the black color. As you know, that iPhone SE has a glass on its front and back side, but the side is quite matte finish. It looks good. I was using iPhone 7, and in comparison to that, it is around 10 grams heavier and is a budget friendly iPhone. So guys, let's end this vlog here. If you like this vlog, please hit the bell icon and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.